फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आया हूँ कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर लुकिंग टू स्विच जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वाचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस जॉब पोस्ट। तो अगर आपके पास एजाइल, स्क्रम या पाइथन का एक्सपीरियंस है या फिर आपके पास नॉलेज है बट यू डू नॉट हैव एनी प्रायर वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस, देन आल्सो यू कैन रिव्यू द जॉब। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करते हैं उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, यू चेक दैट। बट वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले, फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराते हैं। फीचर, इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू लूज आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन, सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन से रिलेटेड डेली जॉब अपडेट प्रोवाइड कराता रहता हूँ अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें, आप कोई भी जॉब मिस नहीं करना चाहते हैं, देन डू फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और अगर आपका इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई फीडबैक है, कोई सजेशन है, या अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल के लिंक्स भी मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, टू चेक दैट। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किन लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। बट उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, या आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे या रेगुलर नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो, यू लाइक टू सी सिमिलर जॉब नोटिफिकेशन, एंड डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स एज वेल। Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this field.
अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, वेदर द जॉब्स आर फॉर फ्रेशर, एक्सपीरियंस्ड और फॉर इंटर्न प्रोफाइल। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च करो फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस, पाइथन और सीक्वल डेवलपर रोल के लिए। तो अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें विदाउट एनी मिस, देन डू सब्सक्राइब एंड फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज अमेजन, हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 2 years, जॉब लोकेशन इन बेंगलुरु। Salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree in stats, mathematics or data science. What you'll do, develop SQL queries to retrieve data involving complex business logic, build automated reports in Excel and visualization tools, build and maintain recurring metrics and reports, ad hoc data retrieval and analysis using relational database, Excel and other data management system, conduct deep dives to identify business performance trends, customer pain points, and potential opportunities for reducing defects and costs. Plan and execute multiple projects collaborating cross-functionally, geographically. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And for this, you need to have certain key requirements. So experience 1+ years of data analytics or automation experience, bachelor's degree or equivalent should be the minimum education qualification criteria. Experience with reporting and data visualization tools such as QuickSight, Tableau, Power BI and other findings, and experience with SQL. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post and some key skills as well. And if you're interested for the job post, what you can do, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the second job. Company name is INFOSYS, hiring for associate business analyst, experience 1 to 3 years. Job location is Hyderabad, salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Education ME, MSc, MCA, MTech or Bachelor of Engineering. Roles and responsibilities: should be familiar with the latest technology trends in the GIS industry, should be able to develop based on the functional design documents from the functional and specification documents, develop GIS based POCs to showcase ideas, prepare for demos to presenting to the business user, should be able to design the forms, workflows and portlets integration with the required systems. The candidate must be a team player and is also expected to help the project team with any functional issues, should be open to learn any new technologies in the GIS space if required. Required skills: 1 to 2 years of total analytic experience with key focus on design, development and deployment, familiarity with GIS product architecture, portal with the ArcGIS, Agile data models, web services and Python scripting. And you should also have programming experience in JavaScript, TypeScript or mobile platform would be preferred. And if you're okay for the job with the job post, job location and roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. This link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the third job. Company name is Accenture, hiring for business analyst, experience 3 years, job locations in Bangalore, salary 8 to 12 lakhs per annum, education 15 years of full-time education. It means if you're a bachelor, you can apply for the job post. About the role, as a business analyst, You'll analyze an organization and design its process and systems, assessing the business models and integration with technology. You'll assess the current state, identify customer requirements, and define the future state and business solutions. Your role will involve researching, gathering, and synthesizing information to drive efficient decision market and problem solving. Contribute in providing solutions to work-related problems. Conduct through thorough analysis of business process, systems, and workflows to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Facilitate workshops and meetings to gather requirements and elicit key information from stakeholders. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. Required skills: strong understanding of business analysis methodologies and techniques, strong communication and interpersonal skills to effectively collaborate with the stakeholders, ability to prioritize and manage multiple tasks and projects simultaneously, and the candidate should have a minimum of 3 years of experience in business requirement analysis. And if you are interested for the job post, job location, key skills and roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's get to the fourth job. Company name is ENACTON, hiring for associate business analyst. Job location is in Hyderabad. Experience 1 to 2 years. Education: bachelor's degree in business administration, marketing, communication, or related fields. Salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: prepare comprehensive product requirements documents, function requirements documents, flow diagrams, and detailed execution plans. Address unique cases and potential challenges during execution. Conduct requirements alignment calls with client to ensure clear understanding and agreement on project scopes. Convert inquiries into confirmed client through effective communication to understand of their needs. Work closely with developers, breaking down requirements into our tasks that are easy to understand and develop. Ensure smooth communication between clients and developers through the project lifecycle. Oversee project progress from lead status to completion, ensuring all requirements are met and clients are satisfied. Utilize tools like MS Visio, Figma, Adobe Excel, PowerPoint, and other wireframing and prototyping tools. So these are some roles and responsibilities and key skills for the job post. And if I'll talk about technical skills, certification, sales, business development, or related areas can be added advantage. Proven experience as business analyst or in similar role. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is PEAXSKIN, hiring for business analyst. Job location is in Pune. Salary would be negotiable. Education: bachelor's or master's degree in IT or computer science. And experience they are looking for 2 to 3 years. Roles and responsibilities: as a business analyst at an e-learning company, you'll play a vital role in shaping the future of our e-learning platforms. You'll work closely with cross-functional teams to ensure all e-learning initiatives meet user and business objectives. Collaborate with the stakeholders to gather, analyze, and document business requirements. Play a key role in defining, optimizing business process. Bridge gap between business needs and technology solutions. Required skills: experience with data visualization tools, Tableau or Power BI, knowledge of agile methodologies and project management, familiarity with educational technology platform, strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent communication and documentation skills, ability to work effectively in a collaborative cross-functional team, and understanding of the e-learning industry and related technologies. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. This link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is ESTRRADO, hiring for business analyst. Experience 0 to 1 year. Job locations in Pune and Kerala. Education: bachelor's degree in IT, computer science or related field. So if you are looking to study career as a fresher in business analytics domain, you can apply for the job post. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. We are looking for a motivated fresher business analyst who understands Scrum and Agile methodologies to join our team. Job summary: as a fresher business analyst, you'll help gather and document business requirements, work with our teams to ensure project goals are met, and support Scrum process. Roles and responsibilities: gather and document business requirements, create user stories and maintain the product backlog, assist in prioritizing project requirements, support Scrum ceremonies, communicate project goals and requirements within the team, help the develop and testing team understanding requirements. And if I talk about required skills, basic knowledge of business analysis and Scrum, certified Scrum Master would be a plus, good communication and teamwork skills, familiarity with tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana, and basic understanding of the software development life cycle, that is SDLC. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for this fresher job post. Seventh company in the list is Metal, This is a manufacturing company hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 2 years, job locations in Bangalore, education as bachelor's degree in business administration, economics, financial data analytics or related field. Salary would be as per industry standards. What's your roles and responsibilities? Partner with business stakeholders to identify and define business problems that can be addressed through data analysis. Gather, clean, and prepare data from various sources using SQL and other data manipulation tools. Perform exploratory data analysis and statistical model to uncover trends, patterns, and relationship in the data. Develop and implement data-driven solutions, including dashboards, reports, and predictive models. Stay up to date to the lead industry trends and technologies in data science and analytics, and contribute to the continuous improvement of the data infrastructure and analytical process. And if I'll talk about technical skills for the job post, proven experience in business analysis, data analysts, or related fields, preferably in a manufacturing or industry setting. Proficiency in data analysis tools and software, that is Excel, Power BI, Tableau, or SQL. The strong analytical and problem-solving skills with the ability to translate data into insights. And further project management experience and familiarity with Lean Six Sigma methodologies would be a plus. So basically, they are looking for a person who can have good knowledge in SQL, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. And in addition, if you have any project management experience or if you have required knowledge, then you are good to go with this position. And if you're interested, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. 8th company in the list is Webori Technology, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education bachelor's degree in business admin, information system or related. Salary would be competitive. So if you're looking to start your career as a fresher and you're located in Gurgaon location, you can apply for this job post. Roles and responsibilities: collaborate with the stakeholders to understand business objectives and requirements, conduct in-depth analysis of business processes, system and workflows, create detailed documentation including business requirements, functional specification, and user stories. Collaborate with the cross-functional teams to drive process optimization and improvement. Business update with industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies relevant to business analysis. And if I'll talk about key skills and experience, you need to have 0 to 1 year of experience with business analysis, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, proficiency in data analysis and modeling techniques, written and verbal communication skills, detailed oriented with strong organization skills, proficiency in using business analysis tools and software, and knowledge of agile methodologies would be a plus. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the 9th job. Company name is Strategy, hiring for junior business analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, job locations in Chennai, education and relevant undergraduate, postgraduate degree, a combination of computer science and finance background would be an added advantage. Salary would be negotiable. Roles and responsibilities: liaising with clients and the management to gather requirements and consulting, liaising with the internal technical team wherever necessary and get things done, preparing the required specification documents, strong stakeholder management. And if I'll talk about key skills, freshers with a detailed understanding of buy-side investment concepts and theory on investment management, good understanding of SDLC and various software development framework, graduates with finance specialization having elective related to financial markets, professional with a good work ethic who can work to tight deadlines, manage time appropriately, and strong written, verbal, and presentation skills. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post. And if you're interested for this job, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job. Let's move to the 10th and final job of the day. Company name is Vayus, hiring for business analyst intern, experience 0 to 6 months, job locations in Noida, education graduate with required skill set and experience. Salary would be 10 to 15,000 per month. As a business analyst intern, you need to assess senior business analyst in following roles and responsibilities: strategic design and mapping of business system, technical requirements from current state to future state, facilitate meetings, demonstrate brainstorming, building skills, and interactive with executive level project sponsors, assess options for process improvement, including business process modeling, gather, analysis, and document business system technical requirements, strong written and verbal communications, create BRDs, process and data flow diagrams. Key skills: knowledge of Oracle, PL, SQL preferred or any flavor of SQL, basic understanding of database, project management, SQL, IT project management. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, what you can do, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. This link is available in the description box of this video. And you can also share your resume at careers@vyus.com for more or other analytical positions applied for this company. So if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job post, and you can also check more details. So if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link to apply for the job post. This job link you'll get in the description box of this video, and you can check more roles and responsibilities and technical skills about the job post. And you can also share your resume at careers@yus.com for this job position. And if you're looking to explore more job opportunities in analytical domain. So friends, these are 10 jobs for the week for the role of business analyst, experienced fresher and intern. I hope you like this video. You can also share this video to your needy friends as well who are looking for any business analyst role, experienced or fresher. And if you like the video, do press the like button, and you can also share your feedback in the comment section as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.